before and after. Hey beautiful people, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to do up your eyebrows. What you need to do is invest in one of these. This is a eyebrow gel. What it does is that it tames down your brows. You can use this, but if you don't have one like this, you're more than welcome to go in with some Vaseline. But the problem with Vaseline is that it is very messy. This tends to harden the brows, allowing the brows to stay in the same direction that you put it all day long. So you're just going to lift up your brows. I'm going to do one eyebrow so that you guys can see the difference. So lift the brow up. Make sure all the hairs are lifted up. That's what you're going to do, and thereafter do this to your brows. Just go in and tame them down. Next, what you're going to do is get yourself a flat brush. It doesn't have to be extremely flat, but just make sure that the tip of the brush is really thin. Next, you're going to go in with a gel pot. You can use any one. I have an Estee Lauder one. You can go in with any brand. Just make sure that the gel is runny. Not too runny, but just runny enough. Just pick up very little product. Pick up some from your container, from your pot, and thereafter work it at the back here of the lid. And thereafter go in and line. Go in with the exact same shape of your brows. Continue working with the shape that you made and blend it into your normal brows. Now the shape that you have made, you're just going to be blending it into the normal brow that you have. In that way it doesn't look like you have filled in your brows. So here at the tip is the main part. Just keep on blending it. But now, since everything is blended here, work the rest of the product up. And that's what it's gonna look like. If you want, you can come down a little more with the tail. Now you're going to want to use a brush that is really flat so that you... Now what you're going to do is take some concealer at the back of your hand. Dip your brush into the concealer. And thereafter clean this up. And this is what the brow will look like. If you look before and after. So guys, that's it for me. I hope you've learned something and I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel, and I will be back with another video.